EA-FC24 DirectX Error Fix. So if you want to fix the EA-FC24 DirectX error, then what you need to do is you just simply go with your search and search for Device Manager. Open up your Device Manager. Once you open it up, now here you will have Display Adapters. Go with Display Adapters. Right click on your graphics card and then go with Properties. And here you simply go with the driver. And under that, you need to go with Update Driver and go with Search Automatically for Drivers. And wait for the windows to complete it. If it says the best drivers for you or your device are already installed, then you can simply go and search for updated drivers or Windows Update. Then it will take you to the Windows Update. Now, if you have any updates, then you can simply go and update your Windows. And once you've updated, you will update your graphics card. And then what you need to do is just open up your web browser. And here you need to search for DirectX End User Runtime and click on the first link that popped up. And here you will have the download option. Right click on the download or click on the download and it will start the download process, and go with the download file. Go with yes. And here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with I accept the agreement and then go with next. And here click on install the Bing bar and then go with next, and it will start the installation process. Once it's installed, just go with the finish and you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your EA-FC24 DirectX error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.